Hello friends, welcome to my channel of riders. Today, we will know about new Kia K5. Most K5s are powered by a 2.5-liter inline-4. Front-wheel drive is standard, but all-wheel drive can be added at some trim levels. At the top of the lineup sits the 298 K5 GT, which is good. We learned that last year's turbocharged 1.6-liter 4 has been replaced with a non-turbo 2.5-liter unit that makes slightly more power at 191 ponies. Now, we look at the new design and features before. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. The price of the 2025 Kia K5 is expected to start around $27,000 and go up to $33,000 depending on the trim and options. The GT line has a satisfying mix of racy styling elements at a very attractive price. The EPA hasn't released estimates for the K5 with the base 4-cylinder engine yet, but the K5 GT is rated for 24 mpg city and 32 highway. Inside, the K5 looks great for how much it costs, and this year's refresh improves the ambiance even more. The K5 also offers an array of upscale interior features, such as ambient interior lighting on the dash and doors, heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a wireless charging pad. The K5 comes standard with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that shares a bezel with the gauge cluster. The K5 is also available with a 12-speaker Bose audio system for those who want the best auditory experience. Kia's family sedan also offers a variety of standard and optional driver assistance technology. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video. Until next time. If you want to know more info like release date or anything, please consider to visit www.ev-riders.com for more articles about EVs and the latest car news. See you later.